Introducing the Cooper&Hunter 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a versatile and efficient solution for all your HVAC needs. With its innovative dual hose design, advanced inverter technology, and a multitude of functions packed into a compact unit, this portable air conditioner promises to deliver both powerful cooling and heating performance. From its quiet operation to easy installation and maintenance, Cooper&Hunter has designed a product that prioritizes user convenience and longevity. Join us as we delve into the key features and specifications that make this portable air conditioner a standout choice in the market. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact dual hose design. This air conditioner boasts a smart hose and hose design, merging intake and exhaust hoses seamlessly. This eliminates the hassle of managing messy running tubes and providing a clean and organized setup. The dual hose configuration ensures a more efficient air exchange process, allowing quicker operation and enhanced cooling for larger spaces compared to single hose variants. Number 2. Efficient cooling and heating. Equipped with variable speed inverter technology, this air conditioner excels in both cooling and heating functions while consuming significantly less electricity than traditional models. The operational temperature range from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit ensures adaptability to various climates. However, the heating function activates only above 45 degrees Fahrenheit due to the built-in anti-freeze protection function. Number 3. Designed to last. Buyers benefit from a 2-year replacement warranty and US-based technical support, underscoring the product's durability and the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction. Number 4. Quiet but powerful operation. The optimized air duct dew system and improved inverter compressor enabled this air conditioner to achieve full cooling speed in just 5 seconds. Remarkably, it operates at a mere 42 decibels sound level, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms or living rooms where quiet operation is crucial. Number 5. 4-in-1 multifunctionality. This air conditioner offers a comprehensive solution with its 4 essential functions: cooling, heating, ventilation, and dehumidification, all integrated into one compact system. Number 6. Quick and simple installation. The package includes everything needed for installation: exhaust hoses, a window bracket for horizontal setup, and connectors. Number 7. Easy to use and clean. The pre-installed washable filter prevents internal component clogging. A clean filter alert ensures timely maintenance, signaling when it's time to vacuum or wash. The standard 3-prong plug and 6-foot power cord enhance flexibility in placement. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 16.2 inches depth by 17.4 inches width by 29.4 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Cooper&Hunter 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner stands as a commendable choice for those seeking a reliable, compact, and multifunctional HVAC solution. With its dual hose design, efficient inverter technology, and a range of features including heating, cooling, ventilation, and dehumidification, it addresses diverse climate needs. The commitment to durability is evident with a 2-year replacement warranty and US-based technical support. Its quick installation, quiet operation, and user-friendly maintenance further enhance its appeal. Elevate your comfort with this air conditioner, a versatile appliance that seamlessly blends performance and convenience. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.